Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to fix verification code not received. So you may be asking for verification code from Facebook, WhatsApp, or any app that asks for verification code, but if you're not receiving that, then you've come to the right places because I will teach you how to fix that. So in order to fix that, you just need to head over to your settings, scroll down until you can see the iMessages. So you can see this is here, the messages. And once I'm in there, I can see this iMessage right here, which is toggled on. I just need to turn that off and wait for 10 seconds before turning that on. So now what this will do is this will basically reset your iMessages into the factory reset options or settings. So after that, what you need to do is scroll down until you can see this send as SMS. So what you need to do is make sure that this is on, so the sender will be able to send you messages. So what you need to do next is scroll down again until you can see this filter unknown sender. So what you have to do is make sure that this is turned off. So if this is turned on, then some messengers may not be able to send you the code. And then after that, the next thing that you can do is scroll down again until you can see the blocked contacts. As you can see, here it is right here. Just click on the blocked contacts, and as you can see, I have one right here. So basically the codes are sent by bots, and some bots are actually have those little numbers, whereas this is short numbers. It is only 4 digits. So maybe this is a bot. So what you need to do is click on edit up here, click on this minus icon up there, click on that, and click on unblock. So now that bot may be able to send us our message. So the last thing that you can do is make sure that your do not disturb is off. So to do that, let's just scroll up until you can see this in here and make sure that this is off. Mine is on right now because I'm recording, but make sure that this is off. So that's it. I hope this resolved your issues. I hope you learned a lot from this video. Make sure to like and subscribe if you love this kind of contents. Follow for more.